Well, an update on the ongoing row at the Law Society of Kenya. The Director of Public Prosecutions, Nordin Haji, will challenge a decision by the High Court barring the police from arresting or charging the Law Society of Kenya President Nelson Havi over alleged assault on LSK Chief Executive Officer Mercy Wambua. Haji describes the decision as premature. KTN's Akisa Wandera with that report.
It is a first-round win for troubled Law Society of Kenya President Nelson Havi after High Court Judge Jairus Nga shielded him from imminent prosecution over assault charges, a decision the DPP has termed as premature, vowing to challenge it in court. The DPP argues that his office has not made any decision in relation to the assault case.
The Constitution allows any person who feels that his rights are even threatened, or it does not mean that your rights must be violated for you to then approach the court, even when there is a threat to that violation.
So it is the duty of the DPP to indicate whether they have looked at the evidence, they have looked at the witness statements, and they think there's a reasonable case to prosecute.
On Monday, Mercy Wambua filed a complaint at the Mudhangari police station accusing Havi of assaulting her while at the LSK offices. Havi has dismissed these claims, instead accusing Wambua of shielding his predecessors over alleged embezzlement of millions of shillings from the society.
Determined effort by individuals who have pilfered money from the Law Society of Kenya to conceal any efforts towards a forensic audit.
The two have locked horns since last year when Wambua faced ousted charges over alleged gross misconduct and incompetence that saw her suspended from office for a month. She would later be reinstated, but this did not quell the tensions.
Our CEO, they have a long history of, and the books can be written of that. Immediately, Havi wanted to vie for presidency. There were indications that the CEO and people around her actually blocked him from vying the first time on an issue of an age limit aspect. And I think maybe that may have actually been where this particular issue started.
If the LSK president continues to antagonize the CEO of the LSK, it means that because of that difficult poisonous work context, some of the operations that required consensus to be built between the two offices would now be deferred to a future date.
Last month, LSK members voted to send Wambua on compulsory leave, a decision that saw the two clash once again, leading to the said altercation at the LSK offices. This casting a dark cloud on the future of the lawyers' body.
Insofar as the wrangles are concerned, it just means that the society is now the operations of the society may be grounded to a halt because most of the operations of the society, resolutions are made at the council.
We will be perceived as pretenders to be fighting for public interest matters, yet we have a problem with regard to running of finances of the Law Society in our own house.
Mercy Wambua has served as the LSK CEO for 5 years now and also serves as secretary to the council as well as secretary to the Advocates Disciplinary Tribunal. Havi joined her at the LSK in 2020, having been elected president for a 2-year non-renewable term. Both Havi and Wambua are set to leave office early next year. Akisa Wandera, KTN News.
And that's a good place to begin our discussion tonight.